Hey Vols, my name is Molly and I'm going to share with you some information regarding external scholarships. In this video, we will discuss what an external scholarship is, discuss how UT processes external scholarships, and provide information on possible external scholarship opportunities. What is an external scholarship? An external scholarship is a scholarship that is received from a donor outside of the University of Tennessee. For example, these may include a scholarship from your parents' workplace, or Chick-fil-A, or even just a local organization. How do I get credit for these funds? Checks should be mailed as early as possible. Checks will automatically be split equally between the fall and spring semesters. The check should include your student ID number, your name, and how you want them to be dispersed. The check should be mailed to the University of Tennessee, Office of the Bursar, 211 Student Services Building, Knoxville, Tennessee, 37996-0225. You can also drop off your external scholarship at One Stop, and the same requirements apply. You need to have your student ID number, your name, and how you want them to be dispersed. How do I get external scholarships? You can always work with your local community organizations to see if there are any opportunities, or you can check out some external websites such as fastweb.com or myscholy.com. If you have any questions regarding external scholarships, you can always give One Stop a call at 865-974-1111, or you can reach us via email at onestop@utk.edu. Thank you for watching, and go Vols!